To schedule DigitalOcean managed MongoDB, you need to start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the MongoDB clusters page. From here you can create a new cluster or select an existing one to schedule. First, click on the Create Cluster button and choose the configuration that suits your needs. Then select the MongoDB version and the cluster tier. After that, choose the region and data center where your cluster will be located. Once your cluster is created, you can schedule it by using the DigitalOcean API or the DigitalOcean dashboard. To schedule using the API, you need to send a POST request to the schedules endpoint with the schedule details in the request body. To schedule using the dashboard, click on the Actions drop-down menu next to your cluster and select Schedule. Then, choose the schedule type, such as daily or weekly, and set the start and end time for the schedule. You can also use the DigitalOcean API to automate the scheduling process by integrating it with your existing workflows and tools. This allows you to programmatically create, update, and delete schedules for your MongoDB clusters. Best practices for scheduling DigitalOcean managed MongoDB include monitoring your cluster performance and adjusting the schedule as needed, testing your schedule to ensure it works as expected, and using the schedule to automate routine tasks such as backups and maintenance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively schedule your DigitalOcean managed MongoDB clusters to improve performance, reduce costs, and increase productivity. It is also important to note that scheduling DigitalOcean managed MongoDB requires a good understanding of MongoDB and DigitalOcean, as well as experience with cloud computing and database management. If you are new to these topics, it is recommended that you start by learning the basics before attempting to schedule your MongoDB clusters. In addition, make sure to check the official DigitalOcean documentation for the most up-to-date information on scheduling DigitalOcean managed MongoDB, as the process may change over time. By taking the time to learn about scheduling DigitalOcean managed MongoDB, you can take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer, including improved performance, increased productivity, and reduced costs.